Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we'll have a look at Fantom. Before we get this video started, allow me to declare this video is not financial advice. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes and for educational purposes. Now Fantom is doing absolutely amazing right now. Fantom is going to the absolute moon, and to show you some evidence of that, if you look at Fantom in the last 3 months, you see for yourself that it's not an understatement. The price of Fantom 3 months ago was 25 cents. 25 cents at the time. Right now, you're looking at over $3. And at its all-time high, it was $3.13. And that's in the last 24 hours alone. So the question that's on everyone's mind is, how is this possible? How does a crypto go from 25 cents to over $3? Not just any crypto, but Fantom itself, a crypto that has 2.5 billion in circulating supply and 3.1 billion in max supply. That's 3,175,000,000 in max supply. It's not the kind of crypto that has a supply issue. So we're going to go for a lot of things today. We're going to go through some of the recent ecosystem and blog updates. So we've got lots to go through there. It's going to be quite exciting. Secondary, we'll also do a price analysis and a price prediction of the price. We want to figure out when it's going to hit $4 and eventually $5. Now, before we dive deeper into that, let's just take a look at Fantom itself. What is Fantom for everyone who don't know what Fantom is? Fantom is a smart contract platform, and it enables blockchain that provides a robust environment for dApps development. dApps are decentralized application, and Fantom's fast, scalable platform for decentralized applications draws its speed from a unique consensus mechanism called puposes. Fantom also offers tools that make it easy to integrate existing dApps, a nuanced system of stake and rewards, and a total suite of built-in decentralization and a suite of built-in decentralized finance DeFi tools. So that is Fantom in a nutshell. But if you want more information, Fantom is decentralized, permissionless. It's an open source smart contract platform for decentralized application and digital assets. Now it's important to understand that one of the many blockchain networks built. Now it's important to understand that Fantom is one of the many blockchains that are built to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom blockchain mainnet went live in December 2019, and its network architecture intends to provide a viable solution to the blockchain dilemma by providing a steady balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. So now that you understand what Fantom is, I must also explain to you that it's got a huge ecosystem of dApps, from DEXs to cross-chain bridges, lending and borrowing. It's got NFT platforms, it's got tools and wallets as well. First bit of news that we'll get into is Formula One driver Pierre Gasly is ready to drop an exclusive NFT on Altcoin. Now, first of all, I do watch Formula One, and I do think that Pierre Gasly is possibly the first Formula One driver to launch NFTs. So this will be the moment for the first special NFT drop on Altcoin, and the first drop is of a Formula One driver. So yeah, this is huge. By visiting the site, you can get some more information on the drops themselves. Monza 2020 first victory for Pierre Gasly. I thought this would be the most important one at the top. Now it does seem like these NFT sales have already taken place. It was on Wednesday, October the 20th. 3 unique NFTs goes on auction. So I gotta say, whoever bought these NFTs are quite lucky. Each NFT will be redeemable for exclusive physical objects and real-life experiences. Now these 3 NFTs commemorate the podium appearances and marks Pierre Gasly's rise to the heights of motorsport. In additional news, Fantom Ecosystem Spotlight and PaintSwap. PaintSwap is an open NFT marketplace, automated market making, decentralized exchange, and a yield farming platform on the Fantom Opera network. Now, the open NFT marketplace is currently on its 2.0 release, supporting native Fantom transactions by buy and sell and auction NFTs on the Fantom network. The marketplace is built from the ground up and not cloned, allowing the platform to be very agile in updates and improvements. It's also fully decentralized storage, which they believe is the first protocol of its kind to do so. So again, this is some more big news in the Fantom ecosystem. Now I do recommend, if you find this article interested, that you go to the Fantom blog and you get some more information on these articles for yourself. But today we're just going for a brief overview of what's going on in the Fantom ecosystem. Now most of the general updates, obviously it starts with the NFT drop by F1 driver Pierre Gasly. It takes us into some information on Geist Finance going live on Fantom, which is a big deal. Geist Finance has been around for a really long time. Not an extremely long time, but it's been around for a few years now. Not to mention Ava on Fantom, governance proposal. The Fantom Foundation has created proposal to launch Ava on Fantom, and this is huge because Ava as a cryptocurrency has been really successful. And when it was first launched, the price just skyrocketed. Now in additional news, Nansen also added Fantom support. Leading blockchain analytics platform Nansen has rolled out support for Fantom. Now thanks to Nansen's tracking token flows, smart contracts, interactions, and labeling notable wallets, you can discover opportunities, perform due diligence, and defend your portfolio with real-time dashboard and alerts. Now unfortunately we can't get this done in one video. At the end of the day, we're still going to go on to our price analysis and price prediction. And I know you guys are excited for that. Guys and girls are excited for that. And I know you guys and girls are excited for that. So we'll get into that a bit. Now on our latest update, Fantom Ecosystem Spotlight. Fantom Ecosystem Geist. Geist of course means a spirit in both sense of the world, a ghostly spirit, and a spirit of individual or group. So what is Geist? Geist is a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity market protocol where users can participate as depositor or borrowers. Depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while borrowers can borrow in an over-collateralized or under-collateralized one-block liquidity fashion. So how do you introduce Geist to a novice or someone who knows relatively little about DeFi? DeFi is changing how finance is working in many ways. One of the most important ways in ability to power the finance market with liquidity pools. So what we'll do now is our price analysis and price prediction. Now I'm predicting that Fantom will hit $4 quite soon. As much as I'd like to see Fantom hitting $4 before the end of the year, the fact is that Christmas is on the way, which means that a bearish market could be on the approach. When Christmas is coming up, people will stop investing in the market. The market will literally lose a lot of its volume because people are using their money for family members, presents, and so because of this, I'm taking this into account. The fact is there's a lot of volume for Fantom to continue to rise to an all-time high of $4, but I don't think it's going to happen before the end of this year. I think that's possibly in February. But what's really amazing is that Fantom has hit $3.11. That's really amazing. That's where it is right now, $3.12 actually. And it was actually at $3.48 quite earlier on in the last 24 hours. That's quite extraordinary. I've drawn a pink line to show you just how much growth there's been. And this has been since the end of August. Since the end of August, it's been on an upward trajectory. And around the end of August, it was actually around 46 cents, going up to around 50 cents. Early parts in September, it hit around $1.95, really extraordinary. Around the 8th of October, it hit a price of $2.43. It's really extraordinary that these key moments keep on happening in around a month apart. And these patterns, there'll be a continuation of these patterns. And it seems like there will be another pattern that will be occurring around this time. Hopefully this next pattern that I'm predicting will help to drive the price closer to $4 before the end of the year. In and around the end of November, hopefully this pattern will leave us at around a price of $3.50, between $3.50 and $3.90. But I think $4 this year is asking a bit too much. Now, if you did ask for $4 this year, I'd understand why, because the growth is strong, and I put that in my notes as well. And there's a great market lead for Fantom, and the fact that it's a platform for dApps application. Platforms for dApps applications have been doing really well this year, and it's been extraordinary just to watch. And the amazing thing is that this actually is not slowing down. I hope to see more dApp platforms do well as well. So we have to predict this. We have to account for this. Will the price drop below $3? It's possible. $3.90, it's possible, of course. Could the price drop below $3.80, around $3.70? That's also possible. I've drawn up some resistance lines, and these will dictate where we're going to go towards the end of November. In terms of a trajectory, well, there'll be some resistance, there'll be some pullbacks in the market, but do not let that fool you. Do not panic. These are all natural occurrence patterns, and I've drawn up some more purple lines to show you what normal occurrence patterns look like. These are bull runs. These are periods of rallies when the token is doing exceptionally well, when the coin is doing exceptionally well, and it goes from an all-time low price and it just shoots up almost overnight in a given 24 to 48 hours period. It just shoots up with its price and its volume. And I do really like to see natural trajectory pattern lines. These are good. These are great indications for where the price is going. Naturally, there will be more natural trajectory pattern lines, and I'm dictating these to be towards the end of October. Anytime around from the 15th of October, anything is possible when it comes to another price rally. When it comes to going towards $3.70, $3.80, getting close to $4. But let's take a minute to appreciate the absolute amazing things that have happened with Fantom when it comes to the price of Fantom as well. Just the end of July, around the 20th, the price of Fantom was 14 cents, around 15 cents actually, to be more specific. And what I've done, I've drawn a purple line, another natural trajectory pattern line. Now, what it does is that this line actually looks very different from my other trajectory lines. Why does it look so different? Because the growth was much more narrow. There was a narrow growth. And these are great indications to when the price is going to absolutely explode. That right there is narrow growth, but do not mistake it. That narrow growth is an indication that the price is about to explode. And that's exactly what you had in Fantom previously. You've had that in the end of June and the early part of July, just a lot of stability. But after that, the price went from a narrow growth to a huge growth, a natural trajectory pattern, and that's overall a great thing. So these are my predictions. These are my predictions for November, upcoming in November, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know if I missed anything, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next